Use a T20 bit to loosen the 6 screws, then remove the front grille guard from the upper part of the fan enclosure. Push the black rubber part in at the end of the nut, then pull the outlet tube out. Take the fan locking knob and fan blade off. Loose the hinge locking knob on the left hinge. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 4 screws securing the right hinge support. Take the fan housing off from the battery box and frame assembly and then unplug the connector. Use a 22 mm wrench to loosen the nut at the bottom of the filter. Pull firmly to disconnect the inlet tube from the filter. Remove the nut from the inlet tube. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 6 screws securing the control panel. Use a screwdriver to pry open the control panel. Pass the water tube and wire through the holes on the back cover of the control panel back cover. Disconnect the terminals on the control panel. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 4 screws securing the battery box side cover. Pry open the clamps. Remove the wires and water tube from the battery box side cover. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 2 motor clamp screws, then remove the water pump motor from the support. Replace it with a new water pump motor. Place the water pump motor on the support. Place the locking clamp on top of the pump motor, then secure it with 2 screws using a T20 bit. Pry the clamps open. Insert the water intake tube, water outlet tube, and wires through the channel in the battery box side cover. Use a T20 bit to tighten the 4 screws securing the battery box side cover. Plug the terminals in the control board. Secure the clamps onto the inlet pipe joint and fasten them tightly. Thread the water pipe and wiring through the rear cover hole on the control panel. Use a T20 bit to tighten the 6 screws securing the control panel. The recommended torque is 0.3 to 0.4 Nm or 3.0 to 3.9 inch-pounds. Secure the water intake tube into the trap. Slide the filter nut over the water intake tube with the threads facing outward. Insert the filter connector into the end of the water intake tube to form a tight connection. Use a wrench to tighten the filter and nut. Place the intake water tube into the support traps. Reconnect the connector. Reinstall the fan housing. Install the hinge locking knob in place. Then use a T20 bit to tighten the 4 screws. The recommended torque is 0.5 to 0.6 Nm or 4.8 to 5.6 inch-pounds. Install the fan and secure it with the locking knob. Insert the outlet tube all the way into the nut. Use a wrench to tighten the nut securely. Place the outlet tube into the trap on the grille guard. Reassemble the front grille guard and the fan enclosure. Use a T20 bit to tighten the 6 screws.